Correct.
Yes. So today's Chief Minister Nitish Kumar swearing in. He's being sworn in for the 5th time now. So what do you think? How do you think he can change the state this time?
He will put his all efforts. Nitish Kumar, as I have known him, he's a very great leader, and he struggled a lot during his college education days, as well as in the SSP, Samyukta Socialist Party. My understanding of Bihar is, as an outsider, from the importance of Nitish Kumar has grown up, and it is because of Nitish Kumar the votes have been polled, plus the Lalu Yadav support was there. But having said this, Nitish Kumar's administrative experience, Nitish Kumar's capability, everything put together, that will be running down the image of Mr. Nitish Kumar, because Lalu Yadav's longevity. Today there may be joy. I do agree. There is an event today, and this type of emotions will never come up again. But having seen Lalu Yadav's jingoism and jokerism and not interested in administration, as Nitish Kumar has pointed out in several occasions and also in book format, he suggested that Jungle Raj was before him, that was Lalu Yadav's one, though they were good friends. With these aspects, I foresee in 6 months to 1 year's time, there will be a trouble from Lalu Yadav's family, because this lady of Lalu Yadav's wife, who was Chief Minister, had a good experience of administration. She may be coming to Delhi as Rajya Sabha MP, and Lalu Yadav's focus will be on Delhi. But Lalu Yadav's family members as such, 2 sons, today he has promoted the younger son as an elevated position. Whether the Deputy Chief Ministership will be given or not, it will be known tomorrow or today evening. Lalu Yadav's importance in Bihar will be more than Nitish Kumar's. Therefore, if you give a parallel to this, as a political analyst I say, Lalu Yadav will be Sonia Gandhi and Nitish Kumar will be Manmohan Singh of UPA era. The remote control will be with Lalu Yadav. He will be putting on and off. Administration wise, bureaucracy wise, they will listen to Nitish Kumar because he is an able administrator. But Lalu Yadav will not allow that to happen. He will be poking his nose very often. From this I understand the political system. Before 2019, what he is ably projected as prime ministerial material, these things may happen, no doubt. In politics, sudden spurge of events may take over. But in the longer run, it's a loss for Nitish Kumar and it's a gain for Mr. Lalu Yadav, because he will be the backseat driver, and Lalu Yadav, Nitish Kumar's relationship will get strained in 1 or 2 years' time, and the danger of Nitish Kumar's government will come from Lalu Yadav's family. That is how I could look at the present scenario, having studied that family politics, DMK family politics, Mulayam Singh Yadav family politics, and even Congress family politics, AICC. In internal matters, if you see many families, including Bal Thackeray's, his 2 children, analyzing them, the threat for Mr. Nitish Kumar will be from Lalu Yadav's family.